In today's episode, we're gonna install the driven block of plates into a 2019 R6. This bike has already been tuned by Danos Performance. We added a spring filter, a quick shifter, and some other goodies. It's my baby. First, we need to remove or lift up the tank to get access to the plates. Need to remove this bolt, and there's another one here. Probably gonna have to remove this as well. We also need to remove the seat in order to lift up the tank. Now behind the side panels, there's one 4mm bolt on each side that you need to remove. We also remove the seat. There's a 10mm bolt that you need to remove. We're gonna remove the tank so we can have more space. Now we need to remove all these screws in order to remove the air filter housing. They're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 14, and this connector. We're missing a bolt, so we're looking for it. If you have power tools, you're gonna save some time by removing these 20 something bolt screws. No, they're like 12, no? That's what it. In order to remove the airbox, you also need to remove this connector. It's kind of tricky. You have to press it on. Oh, here's the tap. You press it and pull it out. There you go. Now you need to loosen up these bolts for the throttle bodies. A total of 2, 4, 6, 8. You're gonna be able to pull up the air filter housing. We have previously removed all the hoses, so now we just need to remove the stop plates that are held by two, I believe, 5mm bolts on each side. Keep pausing. This is how it looks once you remove the plates. You leave everything in there. You just have to make sure that the gaskets are there. This is the final product. Now you put everything back in the order that you removed it. Air filter, tank, and panels. We did it.
Yeah, right.
Paparazzi.